blockbuster, awe-dropping 2025 event, Apple unveiled its most powerful iPhones yet, the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. But are these better than the previous ones? Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. While the display sizes remain at 6.3 and 6.9 inches respectively, nearly everything else has leveled up dramatically. Let's talk displays. The Pro models now hit 3000 nits of peak brightness outdoors, making them twice as visible in sunlight as the iPhone 16 Pro. Backed by ceramic shield too on both front and back, they're also 3 times more scratch resistant, which makes them tougher than ever. And performance-wise, the new A19 Pro chip delivers a massive 40% boost in sustained performance, thanks to an advanced vapor chamber cooling system. Oh, and the RAM? Now 12 GB, up from 8 GB last year, a serious upgrade for multitaskers and gamers alike. We can't miss out the camera, which has a new 18-megapixel center stage front that adjusts your framing automatically, and a triple 48-megapixel rear array with up to 8x optical and 40x digital zoom. It also has ProRes RAW, dual capture, and log 2 as well. This isn't just a phone, it's a professional video maker. Apple didn't hold back on design either. The Pro series flexes an aluminum unibody and a dramatic rear plateau camera island. Colors? Forget gold and black, because it's now cosmic orange, deep blue, and silver. With 33 to 39 hours of video playback, new 2 TB storage options, and starting prices of $1,099 and $1,199, the iPhone 17 Pro lineup isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. So, did you like the new iPhone? Comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.